Dust on my boots tells a story of miles, broken down highways and sorrowful trials. The wind that keeps whispering through the black pines, a hymn for the lost, prayer out of time. Moonlight is bleeding across the cold ground. Every ghost I've buried still lingers around. I've carried my sins through the smoke and the rain, but the road keeps on calling, it knows my name. Take me home where the shadows fall, through the hollow hills, past the voices that call. In the valley of silence, the graveyard of stone. Take me home, Lord, just take me home. I hear Mama's voice in the howl of the night. She's humming old hymns by the flickering light. Her hands were so weary, her prayers never done. She waits by the river where it all begun. The fields have gone barren, the church bells don't ring. The cross on the hillside has lost all its wings, but I still remember the fire and the flame that kept me alive when the darkness came. Take me home where the shadows fall, through the hollow hills, past the voices that call. In the valley of silence, the graveyard of stone. Take me home, Lord, just take me home. Whistle through the canyon like a lonesome morning dove. Every mile I wander takes me closer to the dust I love. The road has been cruel, but it's all that I know. It carved out my heart and it won't let it go. But if heaven's still watching, then maybe someday it'll guide me back home at the end of the way. Take me home where the shadows fall, through the hollow hills, past the voices that call. In the valley of silence, the graveyard of stone. Take me home, Lord, take me home. Take me home to the place I belong, where the night is deep and the prayers grow strong. In the arms of the mountain, I'll rest my bones. Take me home, Lord, take me home. Take me home, take me home. Through the dark, through the cold, take me home.